talk for a minute about mobile, how to protect your mobile devices. We have an offering called Maas360, a company that we acquired called FiberLink, that is also a SaaS, a pure SaaS model. Can be also be a private SaaS, but it's a completely SaaS offering that not only has the best UI and workflow that exploits all those wonderful APIs that Android and Apple produce for managing those devices, but also have some integration capabilities that are very interesting. For once, as we said before, when you are outside the corporate network, let's say that you jailbreak your iPhone or root your Android device or do things that are not compatible, not compliant, what you see is that message is actually sent on the SaaS, and then that information gets relayed into your SIEM, which is now aware of those things that you're actually doing. Also, the Maas360 has the capability of including all these wonderful technology that I talked about before against malware protection to be included with just a license key. So it's really transparent to the user, and they get all that protection. Another component is IBM Endpoint Manager, which not only is the best technology for deploying software and doing patching. In fact, companies that struggle with patching achieve 95% plus patch compliance with this technology because it is very distributed. It's not that collection of servers for doing patching, which is very inefficient. But in the terms of integration, which is the mode of this video, some of the things that we do, and we slightly talk about those before on Curator, is there is always a fix that gets put into Curator that allows QVM to know which vulnerabilities have a fixlet created. So it's very easy for you to actually know which vulnerabilities you're going to actually fix with QVM real quickly. But we also can have a communication, an API communication between Curator and Endpoint Manager, which allows us to see what's the status of a particular patch on a particular endpoint without having to rescan the whole network, which is actually very, very useful. And of course, with Endpoint Manager, there's already a fixlet that allows you to deploy Trust Tier in all the workstations right away.